Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. That is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 10. Its title is A Land of Pure. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about position words. Before this, in grade 2, we have already learned about position words on page number 34. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And we are going to learn further to recognize, identify, and use a few words showing position. For example, on, to, at, in, from, etc. This is our today's essay. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran Surah Al-Mulk verse 19, do they see the birds above them with the wings outspread and sometimes folded in? Yes, my dear students, better what this beautiful verse is telling us. We can see the signs of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala everywhere. Even by looking at the birds who are flying in the sky, it's a sign of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Who makes them to fly? Who holds them in the sky, in the air? They're flying. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why, beta, we should be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah has given us Quran which tells us everything about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Alhamdulillah. And whenever we see such type of things, we should glorify Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay. Now, my dear students, look at this word above. What it is telling us? It is telling us the position of these words. Where do they fly? They fly above you. Like you're standing on the ground and they are flying above you in the sky. So such type of words which tell us the position of something, what do we call them? We call them position words. For example, you look at this scene, now it's changing. So you just look at, you can see snow on the mountain, people in the boat on the water, flowers in the garden, rocks in the river. So every time when we want to tell place of someone, something, we use position words, right? So now you tell me, what are position words? We have learned about it. I hope you can answer it easily. Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear children, position words describe a naming words position or location relative to an other naming word. For example, Ali is sitting in the car. Now, car and Ali are two naming words. And what is their position? Ali is in the car. So this position word is telling us Ali's position, right? Where is the ball? Now look at, there are different places. We'll tell the position of ball by using different position words in the box. So where is the ball? In the box, in this picture. The ball is on the box. In this picture, the ball is under the box, right? So it means we are using two naming words, and by using position word, we are telling their position related to each other. So ball is under the box, next to the box. So all these words which are telling us the position of ball are position words. Where is ball now? Above the box, below the box, near the box, and far from the box. So all these words are position words. In, on, under, next to, between, among, in front of, behind, above, below, near, far from, all these words are position words, right? So by looking at the picture, we describe the position of a naming word accordingly, right? This is how we use position words. Are you clear? Okay, let's practice it through an activity. Teacher will take an object. Teacher will keep it placed at different positions, and students will keep telling its positions by using position words. For example, teacher takes a book and teacher places it on the table, and student, the book is on the table, or the book is in the bag, or the book is under the chair. This is how teacher may change the position of the object, and students have to tell it every time. So teacher, you can do it with different objects for different positions. Make sure every child understands the position words. Pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time to practice it from your book. All of you open your book on page number 81. So here, question number 5, position words are explained to you. Look at the picture and choose the suitable position words. Okay, so you have to mention the position words for different objects. Pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. It's time for your homework. Look around your house and select 5 objects and tell their position in sentences by using position words. For example, the car is in the porch, right? So this is how you will select the objects and you will write one sentence to tell its position, okay? Here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students to practice position words. So what we have learned today, we learned to recognize, identify, and use a few words showing position, and we achieved our SLO to recognize, identify, and use a few words showing position, for example, on, to, at, in, from, etc. Even we practiced more than this. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with the very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.